it's Natalia, and I'm so sorry for not uploading for such a long time, but as you can tell, I have a new background, and this is my new room in Italy. So I have just wanted to get settled in like for a few weeks and like get school rolling before I like filmed and like started my YouTube again. So now that I've gotten into the swing of things, I've done like the first full week of school, we're in like to the second week of school. I thought it'd be a good time to start filming and get back into the groove of things. So today's video is going to just be my apartment tour. I want you guys to get to know my new home and love it as much as I do. So I thought it'd be fun to just show you guys our little apartment. I live with two other girls, Nicole and Madison. They're my roommates and they're super awesome. We've gotten along so well. I literally feel like I've known them forever and it's so great. And in case you don't know, I go to FIT, the Fashion Institute of Technology, and I decided to study abroad my first year here in Florence, Italy. So it's an exchange program with Polimoda, and that's like the top fashion school in Italy, and it is the most beautiful school freaking ever. So I absolutely love it here. It's amazing, like lots of hard work, long days, but like I'm doing what I love every single day with people that love it as much as I do, and like I could not ask for anything better than that. It is seriously the best thing ever and I love it. So without further ado, I'm just going to get straight into my apartment video. Alright, welcome to my apartment. So here is very bad lighting, but right now the camera is standing at the front door of our apartment, so this is exactly what you see when you walk in. So basically it's just an overview of our little living area, and our kitchen is right over on this side. So let's just start with the kitchen. So this is our cute little Italian kitchen. It is actually really nice. We have everything we need. We have a stovetop, we've got an oven, we've got a dishwasher, sink, we got a toaster, we got a like coffee maker thing. We have our little bar area, and it is honestly just like perfect like to what we need. And it's perfect for us three because we are starting to experiment with more cooking and stuff. So we've been getting good use out of this kitchen, but it's just big enough that we all three fit in here really nicely. And then we like to eat over here, and sometimes we like to light up these candles that we have that we bought at IKEA for a little extra pizzazz to our apartment. So we've got plenty of storage. We have all of like the cups in one cabinet. We have our like bread cabinet with lots of bread. And then we each kind of took over like some different shelves. So these are Madison's shelves. Back here is like my shelves. We have Tupperware that came with the apartment. And back here is our fridge, and it is loaded with stuff. We go grocery shopping about once a week, and we like to fill up our fridge with lots of cheese and fruits and healthy stuff, to be honest. And then we also have storage above the fridge, and that's where we have all of our mugs and whatnot. And then we have more storage to the side of that. And here was a little like, it's not really an island, I guess like a peninsula is. We have more storage. We have all of our plates down here, and then all of our saucepans and whatnot. And then we have two little bar stools where we can just kind of sit and eat or relax or whatever. And we also got a cute little chalkboard that says a little reminder to keep reminders, which we clearly don't have any reminders yet, but hopefully eventually we will start using that. And that is it for the kitchen. And right here next to the kitchen, we just have some cute little decor things that came with the apartment, and I guess some storage that we aren't really using, but it's just this whole little shebang, which is really cute. And right in front of that random area, we have our beautiful living area, which is where we spend most of our time. Also, a disclaimer, we really want to do something to this wall. The apartment came with some really weird paintings and photographs, so we took them all down, but the ceilings here are incredibly high, so we have a lot of wall space that we want to fill up somehow, so maybe eventually we'll do that. But this is where we sit and watch How I Met Your Mother every single night and day, morning, any time of day we are watching that show over again. And it is 10 out of 10, but we have our TV stand, and then Nicole was nice enough to bring an Apple TV so that we can watch Netflix and stuff. And this is where we like to just chill and hang out after a long day. We usually eat our dinners on the couches, actually. They're really comfortable. We like snuggle up with our little blankets and just have movie nights and Netflix nights every single night, which is just the best thing ever. So this is where we spend most of our time. And behind our little living room, we have our kitchen table, which is where we actually just do our homework. We don't really eat here very much since we eat on the couches. And we currently have all of our sketchbooks and stuff that we were working on last night just kind of scattered around here. But we each kind of just sit here and work on our homework together since we're all in the same major. It's really nice that we can all just kind of like do homework with each other and help each other out. And this is where that happens. So from the living space area, we come into this little hallway that doesn't really have anything besides a bathroom over here. Because backstory on our living situation, we have 2 rooms and 2 bathrooms. Nicole gets her own room and her own bathroom because she's paying a little extra for rent. And then me and Madison share our room and our bathroom. And it's been working out super nicely. So in this little hallway is just Nicole's bathroom right there. And then it goes into the next hallway. Excuse the horrible lighting in this room, but from that little hallway we come into this little extra hallway room, which is basically where we have all of our storage. So over here, Madison and I have all of our clothes basically, and then we have a washer and dryer in one of the closets, and the rest is just extra storage for all the random stuff that was in the apartment that we didn't like. We just kind of put there. And then on the other side, we just kind of have all of our suitcases and random stuff that we have nowhere else to put. So this is just kind of like a general storage room. So at the end of this little hallway area, storage room place, whatever you want to call it, we have Nicole's room over here and then me and Madison's room over here. So I'm not going to show you too much of Nicole's room because it is her stuff in her room. But here's a little overview so you guys can just see generally what it looks like. So right behind me is me and Madison's room, but right next to it is the bathroom, and I'm going to show you guys that first really quick. So this is our bathroom. It has a lot better lighting than the hallway out there. So our bathroom is divided into 2 little rooms. So the first room is just like the sink and storage area in the mirror, and then the other room has the shower, the bathtub, and the toilet and all of that. So it's really nice, really big, and the ceilings are incredibly high, so it is beautiful in here. So in this little sink area, we've divided like each side for each person. So over here on this side is all of my stuff, and I just have all my toiletries and hair stuff just like in these little cabinet things. And then Madison has hers on the other side. And then we have all of our hair, like hot hair tools, just kind of always out since we use them every single day basically. And other fun little necessities are just out and about all the time. And if we step into this other part of the bathroom, we have the shower, the bathtub, the toilet. Nothing else really fun to see here. But at first we didn't have a curtain for our shower, which was really difficult and weird. So they came and installed this nice little butterfly one for us, which is 10 out of 10. So this is our cute little bathroom. And last but not least, this is me and Madison's room. So the room was actually rearranged way differently when we came in, and the beds were like over here, and it just like made it seem really, really small. So we moved our beds back to where the window is, and now our room is giant, or at least it feels so big, and it's so nice. And honestly, it's been super fun sharing it. So this side is all of my stuff and my bed and my pictures and all of that, and then on that side is Madison's bed with her pictures and stuff. And we bought the same duvet covers so that our room would be nice and cute and matchy-matchy, and it's all light pink, and then we have gray blankets that we just throw over it. And we both have our pictures, so it's pretty symmetrical and cute. And we got all of our like little decorations and stuff here at IKEA. So check that out if you want anything that we have here. Is basically mostly from IKEA, all the cute stuff at least. So next to our bed, we each have a nightstand. On mine, like the first drawer is just all that random stuff you don't know where else to put, like all my chargers, medicines, like random stuff like that. And then the second and third drawers are just like my socks, underwear, like bras, all of that jazz. And then in front of my bed, we have our like really big dresser, which has 4 drawers, which was perfect. So we split it up 2 and 2. So we each just have like our tops and our bottoms in either, or the ones that we didn't need to hang up, because we kind of just hung up more of like dresses and like nicer stuff that we don't want to get wrinkled, but all the more general stuff we folded into these. And on top of that big dresser, we just have all of our school supplies, since we don't really have desks because it's not a dorm. We don't know where else to put our stuff. So we just have our stuff there and some cute little knickknacks and decorations and whatnot. And in front of that, we have a giant mirror, which is really good for like outfit selfies or just looking at your outfit. And this is really better than the mirror I have at home or any mirror that I've ever had, which is just really great because fashion school, you know, you need to check out your outfit sometimes. And then in the back corner over here, we just have all of our jackets hung up and all of our bags and some like gym shoes that Madison brought and all of that. So that's just kind of stored away in there. And that's the end of the apartment tour. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And please, please, please leave me some video suggestions of what you guys want to see while I'm here in Italy. I think I'll probably do a lot of like day in my life here, or like fashion school stuff, or just like fashion videos, travel videos, anything like that. Just let me know what you guys would like to see and I would love to do that for you. And don't forget to follow my main Instagram here at natalia.trevino for my travel pictures, Florence picture, Italy pictures, all of that fun stuff. And I also made a new Instagram at Natalia Trevino Amaro for my brand and just like my career and progress and clothes I make and stuff like that. So feel free to follow both of those to be updated with everything I do. And on top of that, if you want to follow my Twitter at ntrevino17, feel free to do so. And lastly, subscribe to my vlog channel to see some behind the scenes of stuff or just travel vlogs and whatnot. So that is it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!